y'all, welcome to our channel. I wanted to do a little video about how to drop the hem on a pair of bell bottom or flare jeans. So I've been noticing that they've been coming back on trend this year and I'm really excited because personally they are my favorite. They give me such a hippie, laid back vibe and I absolutely love them. But while I'm thrifting, one of the biggest problems I come across is the fact that they are too short. Like, so I'm only 5'7", but I've got quite long legs. And I know that at the moment there's a lot of styles that kind of mimic that and they have that cropped flare look. But honestly, my favorite kind of bell bottoms are the ones that go all the way over your shoe that it looks so slouchy and laid back. I'm gonna post a little bit of inspiration up here. I've gotten my inspiration for this video from Free People and these jeans, I absolutely love them. So I found these jeans while I was thrifting. They were $3 and I loved the wash, I loved the way they fit. The only problem was that they were that little bit too short.
So I brought them home and I did the easiest DIY to add a couple of inches to their length. All I did was I picked along the seam with a sewing pick. I actually found this to be really relaxing. Once I picked the seam, I folded it out to see what my dropped hem uncovered. This is what mine ended up looking like. Using the sewing pick, I picked out the remaining threads. By doing this simple DIY, I've actually added a couple of inches to the legs of my jeans. I ended up cutting some of the loose ends off, but they actually kind of add to that laid-back Bohemian look. If you try this for yourself, you can run over your jeans with an iron or put them through the wash to flatten them out and make them look more natural. I haven't done either in these clips yet, but I'm still really happy with how they turned out. This DIY could be done on any kinds of jeans really, if you want to give them that dropped hem look. I would love to post some more simple DIYs in the near future to inspire more people to go out and support their local thrift stores. Thank you so much for watching.